Assalamualaikum friends and welcome to my channel Program for Hack. In this channel you can learn about cybersecurity, ethical hacking, coding and digital forensic also. So in this video I will show you how you can fix the error of Ripple.it. The error is that it is not displaying any kind of output, but the script is working. So let us see how you can fix it, how you can get the output. So first of all, let's roll the intro.
Access granted. Access granted.
So let's start our work. First of all, let me open a repository of my own. So let me open it. Okay, it's open. So here you can see I have a user bot named as Mr. Robot. I have coded it because of some kind of user says me to code a user bot. So I have coded this user bot for them, and you can add members to your Telegram account and channel using this. This is specifically I have coded this specially for hackers. So if I go here, so here is the installing. So here is you can deploy it on Heroku if you don't know about Heroku. So Heroku is a web hosting provider, or you can host anything on it. So it can support if I go to here, it supports so much languages. You can host so much languages scripts there. So you can see here several programming languages it support. Okay, so you can host your scripts there. Okay, it has free account also, so you can use it. So you can make account on Heroku and click on this button, and you will get how the requirements you want to enter the requirements. And one thing about that is uh, Ripple.it, it's the error we want to fix. Okay, so if I go here and wait a minute, I want to show you something. So if I go down, you can see as a user session. So what this means, it want a session string. So here is the script, but the users which use Windows or which use Android, they cannot run this script on their device. So therefore I use this run on Ripple.it. If you click on it, so you will redirect it to this link. So here is the script that will give the output, which you can paste here, which you will paste here, and the board will work and the other requirements also. But the main focus is how you can fix this error. If I run this, then you can see here nothing appears, or no output, no English, nothing appears here. So if I wait for some time, if I go here and copy this, if I copy this and open a notepad and paste here, so you can see it is displaying output, but we can't see, we we are not able to see the output here. So why is this happening? This is happening because of Firefox browser. Okay, if you are using this on Firefox browser, so it will happen with you also. Okay, so how you can fix it? You want to change your browser, and if I show you, I have some browsers. If I show here browser, I have Tor browser also. If you don't know about Tor browser, you can ask me in comments. Here I have a Bravo browser. If I open this, and here I have already the last link I have opened in this. So if I paste it again and open, so you can see here is the script. If I show you the code, then you can see the code is the same, nothing, code is the same, it is not changed. Okay, you can match with the other code. Okay, so here you can see the output is displaying, but in Firefox browser the output is not displaying. If you use Chrome browser, then it will also work on Chrome browser. Chrome browser also display output. So if I run this script in Chrome browser, then you can see that Chrome browser is also displaying the output. But the error is this: the Firefox browser is not displaying the output. So you the fix of this error is that you want to install another browser for it. So I have another browser. Maybe the common browser used by the user is Chrome browser, and you can see Chrome browser it's working. And Bravo browser, this is a secure browser if you want security. So this is a secure browser for you. And this is a so much amazing browser. I use this browser. And in Firefox you can't see the output, but if you search for the string, if I come here and search for a string, which I will get here, so you can see it's asking me for API ID. If I copy from here and find, I think this is there in maybe error, it is not finding, so I think I have to run it again. So if you find here the string, then you will get the string, but you will not be able to see the string. So this is the error in Firefox browser. So you can not able to use ripple.it in Firefox browser, so you have to switch to another browser. So this is the error I am facing. So I think that I have to share with you, and you can use the other browser like Bravo and Chrome and other browser also. So that's it for this video. I have showed you why the error of ripple dot is coming and how you can fix it by changing your browser. May it will be helpful for you. And if you like cybersecurity, IT, coding, programming, hacking, then you can subscribe my channel, and then you can also follow me on my Instagram account. So it's enough for this video. Allah Hafiz, meet you in next video.